today, well this week in fact, we're at Butlins. Right, we're in Oyster Bay. We're just having a little bit of a tour of the accommodation at the moment before we show you our room. Jellyfish Green. It's not very well signposted. It's taken us a good 25 minutes to find this. So the door locks are on a time system and it's 4 o'clock. It's gone 4 o'clock now and it doesn't work.
Still not working.
We're going to be saying this a lot this trip. It was £19. I'm just happy we have a roof.
Nice.
We're in. It finally opened a little bit later than it should have done. Oh, my room. I forgot. Hangers. No mould on the ceilings. It's not too bad. And we got a bathroom, which is actually nice and clean. Shower. Main bedroom. It's where the magic happens.
We're married.
Oh yeah, I forgot. That's where nothing happens. And then in here is our living room. Oh wow, the kit is huge. Glasses.
Oh, grim.
What's he got?
Ignore that. So, ignoring the stuff in the cupboard aside, this is how much we paid for it for 4 people. £76. A little bit over. And it works out to £19, just a little bit over £19 per person. We can forgive a lot of stuff. We can forgive a lot. Restaurants dotted around the place. Arts and crafts, pottery studio. There's a bit of everything actually. Is there a bowling alley around here as well? And a sports bar? No, we ignored. No. Why would you want to go here and do pottery paint?
Why wouldn't you?
What would you paint on your pot?
Sean Evans is a prick.
I mean, I'd buy it. Little play area. The yacht club looks very, very, very fancy. Very fancy.
No, Chris told you it's fancy.
Oh, it looks fancy. Look at the typography. Look at the typography. Look at it. Doesn't that look expensive? Right, over there we've got a high ropes course, and that's an upcharge. And then in front of us, right here. No, well the water park is closed, and we'll tell you something about the water park because they actually give us £25 of the total back. So we technically only really paid
About £13 each.
yeah, so it's even better than £19 because the water park was closed. That's quite a big chunk to give back considering it's one of like how many things that they do eat?
Yeah, there's so much.
It's crazy. You got a toy shop over there, a holiday booking shop. You've got personalise your own t-shirts and hoodies. You've got a sharing platter, which is kind of like a chicken grill place, steaks and what have you. A teddy bear factory and all the rest. Got a little supermarket over there, chopsticks to the left. We've got bloody everything. Absolutely everything.
We're in trouble now.
I know. See, now we've been going to the supermarket and we're going to be cooking our own meals, but seeing that there, we may have to substitute
One of those meals.
one of the meals. Whoa! Welcome. Traditional fish and chips, not actually too expensive. Regular chips, we've got £3 there for large chips, £3.75. Cod, £6.75. Haddock, £6.75. I thought they'd be much more expensive. Now this looks so cool. It's like completely Americanized. Pool table, bowling alley down the back, massive sports TVs, lots of places to sit, arcade. See you later guys, I'm just going to stay here. I'll see you in a couple of days. Look at this. Over there in the distance, Transformers. You can meet Optimus Prime and Bumblebee. Now we've already won the astronaut, and this thing keeps paying out so many coins. We want the Star Wars mug. We want the mug. We won it, but it's got stuck. We won! Teamwork!
Less than a fiver. Well, less than a fiver.
Yeah, way less than a fiver. Just kept paying out. Who is the mysterious man feeding the tickets? Who's the mysterious man? It's Jake! Right, now we're going into Reds because there's a very special show indeed. We're going to see Taylor Swift. I mean, Taylor Swift. I don't know what her name is, but she's a Taylor Swift act. Look at this. It's bloody rammed. We found a Swiftie.
Never, ever, ever get back together. We are never, ever, ever get back together.
We're heading towards the next entertainment of the evening. That was ace. That was ace. It was great. That was so good. Adult jokes. Lots of adult jokes. It was so good. It was so good. All right, back into the hub now. There's a few more shows on at 10 o'clock at night, or you can obviously stay in the bars. But it's good. It's a good arcade. Robbie, let us entertain you. We're a little bit late to this one, but thought we'd catch a few songs. The Robbie act was really good, but because on their app it said that it was sold out. Yes, that place that you just saw that was deserted, sold out. Yes, that was a good Robbie act.
No, do you know it was a great Robbie act?
It was a great Robbie act.
Yeah.
All right, so yesterday was a little bit of a write-off going to Breen, wasn't that, Chris? We went all the way to Breen and it wasn't open.
It was so disappointing.
Yeah, so that's why there wasn't much content yesterday. But today, there's a bit of an exploring day as Hayley has guided us straight into the Butlins toy shop. It's like a Forbidden Planet, but in... Jake, stop dropping the Barbies. He's just Jake, dropping shit all over the place. You can have your own t-shirt customised with your name on it. Alright, we got a supermarket in Butlins. We can do your shopping, take you back to your place. Not too expensive, really. Nothing that's really standing out as overly expensive. Chocolate's definitely more expensive. Butlins have their very own store. Caps, socks. $6.99 for socks. We've got some Merlin prices going on in here. Right, and out here we have a go-karting track from £7 per person, and we have a little fun fair. Not much of a fun fair, a few little odds and sods, a helter-skelter, a wave swinger, a paratrooper and some dodgems at the back. There's not many areas for people to overtake, but it's a nice little track. Hook a duck, £3, 2 ducks, £5. And behind there, it looks like they're adding I think it's VR and escape room experiences and a few other bits and bobs. He's got the waltzers tucked away at the back and a rocking tug tucked away at the back as well. Ooh, this is the worst part.
Hi. I see the beach.
You can see the sea.
Hi guys.
Bye, Jake. Whee! That was quite relaxing. slow. You got the gallopers, which look like they're having some maintenance at the moment. It's okay. He said they hadn't polished it, so there was lots of non-polished track or slide or whatever it is. But these waltzers look okay. Very old school. Fun fair is included with all your Butlins stay, so you can enjoy all these rides for free. There's only a very limited amount of rides that you can enjoy, so don't expect to be spending all day here, but I mean you can do, I suppose.
Are we gonna
You definitely look in pain.
This is like an Owen Towers.
It's roller disco.
Roller disco.
All
We
over
left in our
again.
car, I think.
We're not even spinning. We're not even spinning. Mild, very mild. Well, they were absolutely shocking. It's got like an old antique charm to this one. I think a lot of these rides need a little bit of a jet wash. They're quite nippy actually. Not bad for free, is it? Not bad. All included in your... Right, and it's now time for the paratrooper, which has seen better days. That clump, what's that clump? Why is he just on ours? Now they do have a dodgems, but you can't hit anybody. So a bumper cars that you can't bump other cars. So we'll skip that one, I think. But it's not bad, and the weather's been nice. But we literally have done everything in like 25 minutes. I think anywhere else that would have been like 15, 20 quid. So come back in here, have a nosy round, and see what we can find. Puppet show. And here, yes, here, at 3 o'clock, a little bit of Universal Studios Hasbro goodness. 3 o'clock when Optimus comes out to play. Right now, the other side of the big old tent pavilion.
Skyline play area.
Yeah, you got the new play area. You can rent these out and have a pedal around the resort. You can have a dual one or a single one. £14 for half an hour, for 2 or for 4, £15. 20 quid deposit. Oh wow. Opening summer 2024. Children's Skypark. So technically, well, it's now a construction video. You got the water park at the bottom there. Yeah, look at this. It's better theme than Hyperia. Got the diner. Got another little shop this side. And a little path down to the beach. And the apartments are slightly nicer down this end, aren't they? So very similar to Universal, but obviously on a little bit of a budget. He greets everybody, says the name, says happy birthday, talks to them in Optimus voice, and then wishes them on the way. Saves us getting in the queue, Chris. See? Optimus, there you go. We've had the photo. And today we have, what, Dinosaurs versus what show?
Dinosaurs versus animals.
That was your choice for show, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
it was.
And Magic was my choice last night. It was okay. It was okay. And
Dinosaurs.
it won't be better than the Panto. It just won't.
Well, it might be.
It might-
Is it dinosaur costumes?
Maybe. But and then we've got Kylie Minogue tonight. That was Jake's just now. Jake.
And karaoke.
Yeah, there's karaoke.
Masioke.
Masioke, where everyone just joins in and has a sing song. I should have brought a ball. There's beach football. Lots to see. Lots to do. But would I come again? Probably not to the same one, I have to be honest. I know that people come back to the same one over and over, but I think once you've seen it, you've done it, and I'd go and explore other Butlins. That's fair, isn't it, Jake?
What?
Just saying, like, if you come to this Butlins and you've done everything, you'd want to explore the other Butlins. Like, you wouldn't want to come back to this one particular.
I've done Skeggy and I've done Minehead now. I want to do Bogner now.
How does it compare to Skeggy?
I think Skeggy's a little bit better, but I think because we've come a bit out of season,
Yeah.
that I'm massive tickle. I think because we've come out of season, some stuff is a little still closed, and we've still got things that are not fully operational, like the swimming pool and everything. But I kind of prefer Skeggy because you have Fancy Island down the road. So
Got another court outside here. Walking around the perimeter for the next show of the evening, which is...
Dinosaurs versus something.
Animals versus
That's the one.
I don't know what the show's about either, Chris. All I know is we're going to need a lot of alcohol to enjoy it. Right, now compared to the Panto, the stage is completely different than what it was. Really quick change around, backdrop, lighting, even more effects at the front and the back there.
And busy.
It is, it's busy, much busier than it was for the Panto.
Worst case, we just order it all online.
In this room, howling just like the wolf. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3.
Why not? Paul, that's a girl. How can you tell? You can tell it's a girl. The shape of the shell, the length of its tail.
Warning. You have activated the release mechanism for the T-Rex compound.
What? It's Gary! Gary, come here!
We need more beer.
Yeah, we do. We need to go to Reds.
Let's go. Yes, we do. It was very child friendly for a late show.
I'm not going to lie, I've seen worse amateur productions in my town.
I mean, some of the costume puppetry things were okay.
Yeah, but I'd like to have seen more dinosaurs.
Yeah, there was not enough dinosaurs. The dinosaur to animal ratio was way off. We've definitely hit family friendly night tonight, that's for sure.
The final turn it, that button. Where it began.
We're playing Bingo Bango! Woo. Oh, copyright. I think you're only meant to have one ticket per person, but it doesn't matter. We ain't gonna win anyways! We cheated and we still didn't win. Oh. Out of 14 tickets, we didn't even win a beach ball. We should hang our heads in shame. Shame! Well, after we lost at Bingo, we have some entertainment. I'm gonna need a few more of these. And as we bring this little Butlins vlog to an end, it's the chip shop, which seems to be a staple point.
It seems to be a tradition
of every single night going to the chip shop. And we still got tomorrow night to go, but with similar shows and stuff, I thought I'd end the video here just to give you a taste of Butlins. And yeah, it's been good. The shows are good. The chippy's good. The chippy's affordable. The atmosphere is good.
Does that mean you're a Butlins person now?
I'll go and check out another one just to see how they
So,
compare.
yes,
I
cool.
don't think I'd stay for like a week or anything like that. I think once you've done it all, like it's a good job that there's things around the local area to do, like local attractions and things. I think that helps, because if you,
for making it waffle.
I think if it was just stayed in one area, it'd be a bit tricky. But it's been a good trip. Good trip, Chris.
I've enjoyed it.
It's the company that makes it, and while everyone's scoffing and doing their
And
own
the
thing,
beer.
and the beer definitely helps. It is £5 a pint, a little bit more expensive than most places, but not too bad. Chips are affordable. Everything else is relatively affordable. But yeah, it's been really good. So thank you very much for watching the Butlins trip. £19. I can't stress how much of a bargain that is. As you saw in the accommodation, the entertainment alone, bargain. And with that said, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!